Welding with a robot is easy. Check out this fillet joint. If you were welding manually, you'd plan your path from start to stop and make any adjustments you needed. With the robot, you do the same thing. You can just program your angles at the start and the stop. And then you can use touch sensing to make those fine adjustments. Here's how it works. First, at the start, it will touch the part to find the vertical face, and then the horizontal. And then it does the same at the end. And that's it. Let's watch this robot complete this fillet weld. See, it's that easy. Don't forget that when a robot is welding, it's just you. That's your weld.